In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com Agile Project Management. Let's start by opening your trial management board inside Monday.com. This is the central place where your Agile tasks or items will live. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top or open your boards list and select it. Once you're in, take a second to scan the columns so you understand what's being tracked. You'll typically see columns for things like status and due date. Knowing where these live will make the next steps faster. Pro tip, mark this board as a favorite so you can jump back to it quickly throughout your day. Now create a new task. Look for the new task or add item button, usually near the top or bottom of the group. Click it and give your task a clear action-oriented name, something like Design Sprint Planning Outline, rather than something vague. The clearer the title, the easier it is for teammates to understand at a glance. If you have a lot of related work, consider a consistent naming convention, such as a prefix for the sprint number or feature area. This makes filtering and reporting more reliable later. With the task created, let's edit its key details, specifically the due date and the status. Click into the due date column and choose the date that aligns with your sprint plan or milestone. This helps you visualize commitments on timelines and calendars across Monday.com. Then set the status. Use the options that reflect your workflow, commonly to do, in progress, blocked, or done. Keep statuses meaningful and consistent so your team can quickly tell what's moving, what's stuck, and what's complete. If your board includes other helpful columns such as priority or effort, fill them in as well to add context. But remember, the essentials are due date and status. When your task is finished, mark it complete. You can do this by dragging the item into the complete group if your board is organized by groups or by updating the status to done. Either action will signal that the work is wrapped, and it helps keep your board tidy and your Agile metrics accurate. From here, you can enhance visibility with widgets and dashboards to make the table more comprehensive and efficient. Think simple charts to show progress by status, or a workload view to understand team capacity. Filters are also handy for focusing on what matters most, like tasks due this week or items still in progress. Follow these steps consistently, and your board becomes a reliable, real-time picture of your Agile workflow.